I have taken out the veins. Y'all hear that music? It's perfect, isn't it? I'm just making a mess. Let me go follow his directions and I'll get back with you guys later, because I sound just like this music in the background. Let me go follow his directions and I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Or was it this way? This transmission is going to work, guys. I promise you. I worked on my truck for a long time. I finally got that joker going. Finally got that joker going. The truck, that is. And then he put the spring in, then he put the vanes in. That's what I need to figure out. Okay, y'all take it easy and I'll talk to you in a minute.